So, what do you do when you decide that you didn't like how the ball of yarn you created looks? Undo it, start over. I'm Sarah of Sarah Sparkle Yarns, and join me as you're watching me actually do the ball of yarn, the custom mandala from 2 videos ago. I'm doing it right the first time, like I should have done. So, what you are not seeing me do is unwind and cut apart the individual colors. From there, I have sorted them into make a nice rainbow color progression. And from here, I'm going through the lengthy process of joining them via the Russian join. I quite like this method. It takes a good minute, but the results are quite nice. A lot of times you can't even tell except for maybe by touching it, which you won't be able to probably tell in the finished piece that there's ever a yarn join there to begin with. And the way I'm doing it is looping them together. This way I don't have to deal with the weirdness that happens whenever you hold the yarns double and how one is not the correct length as the other. Also, this keeps them all organized together because sometimes you go on trips. Sometimes your toddler's running around and you don't want your yarn any more tangled than it could potentially be, because that gets to be annoying. So sit back, relax, chill, watch me and my little helper try to help and play with the yarn. And I may or may not go get another piece of this fruit pizza that's more giant marshmallow sugar cookie than it is fruit. But don't judge us. We love it. It's actually really delicious. Go see my TikTok. I just posted it not long ago. And I want to take this time to, if you like my videos, comments, say something cool, tell me what you like, what you don't. Maybe if you have ideas that you would like to see me implement, or just drop a like. And if you're new to my channel, how about say hey, and maybe think about subscribing. I'm working hard. This is the second video I've done in one day, so I'm on a roll. I'm really trying. I'm also going to probably post a YouTube short here a bit later. Just kind of teasing it because YouTube is making it a little easier to have both short form and long form content on your channels, and that's awesome. So you might see definitely more shorts from me, but they're going to be of the awesome TikTok content variety. So anyway, keep it sparkling. Have a great day. Have a great evening. I'm just standing on my back porch, listening to the crickets. They're hella noisy. And make something sparkle. See you in the next one. Take care.